Hey everyone, it's Jared of Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how you can make any water bottle glow in the dark with Siser's EasyPSV Glow adhesive vinyl. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. To help make any solid item visible in the night or a dark room, it's definitely worth using special glowing adhesive vinyl like Siser EasyPSV Glow. Similar to their EasyWeed Glow heat transfer vinyl, this material illuminates after being charged by light exposure. As you charge it during the day or leave it near a light after enough time, EasyPSV Glow will continue to shine as you head into the dark. But instead of being limited to fabrics like clothing and flags, you'll be able to bring this adhesive vinyl to plenty of solid items like home decor, notebooks, storage crates, and more, as we'll be demonstrating in this video with water bottles. To begin, you'll need to determine how big you'd like your cut design to be on your bottle. You can first measure how much of it you'd like to cover by using a tape measure. Though if you're able to find the bottle's height and diameter online, you can alternatively reference these when finding the best size for coverage. For instance, this 20-ounce aluminum bottle is listed with a 7-inch height and 2.9-inch diameter. As we'll be cutting a simple portrait design for this demonstration, we can create it at the bounds of 2 3/4 by 6.5 inches. For any square-fitted logos or designs, it's best to measure them within the diameter if you'd like to have it fully visible on one side. Once you've prepared your design to cut, draw a weed box around it, or if it's available, enable your cutting software's weed box feature as you send it to your machine. As we'll be demonstrating EasyPSV Glow being cut through a Silhouette Cameo Plus, we'll need to first draw a weed box around our graphic, making sure that our document has been set to the vinyl size. Next, we'll go to the Send tab on Silhouette Studio, and then we need to change the following settings. Material set to vinyl glossy, the blade depth to 3, force to 25, and speed to 5. To find the recommended cut settings for other popular machines, be sure to visit their website at siserna.com. Upon loading the vinyl to your cutter, it's best to complete a test cut before cutting your design. This will determine if you'll need to fine-tune your cut settings accordingly. But assuming you're all set, go ahead and click Send to cut your design. After your machine has finished cutting your design, unload the vinyl to trim and weed it out. For finer details, it may be best to weed from the inside around your cut design rather than away from it by a corner. Though you'll want to do this carefully so as to not lift the cut design off the backing. Next, trim out a sheet or roll of EasyPSV application tape to the size of your cut design and remove its carrier sheet. Then align, place, and squeegee it onto your vinyl. You can always refer to EasyPSV application tape's grid lines when aligning it to both your design and also to your item. Lift the cut design off its carrier sheet by smoothly peeling it from behind. It's now ready to be applied onto a water bottle. Simply align and place it onto your item, making sure to fully wrap and squeegee it once placed. Then, you may smoothly peel the application tape off by a corner, and your EasyPSV Glow design has now been applied onto your bottle. If you happen to make a cut design stretching to the top of the bottle, you may need to individually squeegee there further so that the vinyl can stick to that particular part. Though we ultimately recommend sticking within the flat portion of the bottle to avoid having to deal with this hassle. But feel free to continue cutting and adding additional elements with EasyPSV Glow, which can allow you to create a unique bottle that's almost fully wrapped to glow in the dark. To learn more about Siser EasyPSV adhesive vinyl alongside other materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.